Completion of a project, the critical path of a network, represents a minimum time. Okay, which of the following represents an event? So, concrete cured, fixing of door, plastering of walls, and selecting sites. Here, the completed activity is concrete cured. So, event is concrete cured. The rated loads of lifting cranes as percentage of tipping load at specified radius for crawler mounted and pneumatic tire mounted machines would be respectively option D 75 and 83. PERT is analytic in concept, limited of event oriented diagrams, used for research and development projects. So all the options are correct. Output of a bulldozer is option B means increase if a drawbar HP of a tractor is increased for a given hauling distance and decrease if hauling distance is increased for a given drawbar HP of the tractor. For the execution of a project, a contractor is a person, a firm, an agency means all the option. The constraints in case of resource smoothing operation would be option B project duration time. The time which results in the least possible construction cost of activity is known as option B slow time. The direct cost of a project with respect to a normal time is option A minimum. The object of technical planning is option D means preparation of specifications, preparation of estimates, initiating the procurement action of resources. Various activities of a project are shown on bar charts by option B horizontal lines. Select the correct statement. So all of them are incorrect. Activity arrows in a CPM network are drawn to scale. The tail of arrow represents the finish of activity. Arrow bead represents the start of activity. So all of them are incorrect. If capital D is the duration, ES and EF are earliest start and earliest finish time, LS and LF are latest start and latest finish time, then the relation holds good are all of them means earliest finish time is equal to earliest start time plus duration. Latest start time is equal to latest finish time minus duration and latest finish time is equal to latest start time plus duration. So all the options are correct. Total float for any activity is defined as the difference between its least start time and earliest start time. So option B is correct. Pick up the incorrect statement. Option C is incorrect means remaining are correct. So option A activity is the time consuming part of a project. The beginning and end of job are called events. And option D logical and sequential connected activity and events form a network. Assertion is activity 57 is critical and reason is earliest finish time and latest finish time for event are same. So the correct is option A and R is both. Option A is correct but R is not correct. The main principle of an organization is unity of command, effective control at all levels, delegation of authority. All the options are correct. Pick up the correct statement from the following. So all the above are correct. Earliest expected time is denoted by TE. Latest occurrence time is denoted by TL. Contractual obligation time is denoted by TS. Consider the following operation. So the correct sequence of this operation in the tunnel construction is option C. Means first is drilling, blasting, then mucking, then placing of steel, and finally placing concrete.